Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to Amazon Wallet. So the first step here is go to your browser and go to Amazon account and make sure that you sign in with your account. Now here on the main page, just click on your account right here at the top right, and it will show you these options. Now here you just need to go to your payments. As you can see, view all transactions, manage payment methods and settings. So click on this, your payments. And as you can see, you will find your Amazon wallet. So Amazon wallet is composed of cards and accounts and also rewards and balances, including the Amazon gift card balance. So if you're going to add your payment method here, for example, so you can see you can add your FSA, HSA cards, credit or debit cards. You can add Amazon store card, personal checking accounts, and enter your EBT card information. Now here on the rewards and balances, as you can see the Amazon gift card and your current balance. Now if you're going to click on Amazon gift card, from here you have options to reload your balance or redeem a gift card and view activity. So if you're going to reload your balance here, as you can see, you can basically add funds directly to your Amazon gift card balance by this Amazon reload. Now if you're going back here, for example, and then if you're going to click on redeem a gift card, then basically just need to enter the claim code and then click apply to your balance, and it will show up here on your current gift card balance. And if you want to add rewards and balances, as you can see, we have also product voucher. So there you go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.